Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement, in which pinacol, which is alcohol, okay, and pinacolone is ketone. It is very important rearrangement in which when our vicinal diol is treated with dilute or moderated concentrated acid like H2SO4, it rearranged to give ketone or aldehyde of the product. This reaction is called as Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. Let's see the example. We are having a diol. Okay, these are our Pinacol or vicinal diol. It's treated with H2SO4. Then what will be the product? Aldehyde or ketone or simply pinacolone. Let's see. The product will be formed CH3, CCH3, CCH3, C double bond O, CH3, which is pinacolone. How can this product will be formed? Let's see the mechanism. First is it is the reaction. Now we discuss the mechanism. Simply the condition is mentioned is acidic condition. Okay, diol is given. Simply here mechanism. H plus. Okay. What happened? Here two diol or two hydroxy group is present in acidic condition. This hydroxy, which containing the lone pair of oxygen atom, pick up the proton and convert it into good leaving group. Okay. Then what will be gain? CH3. Okay. COH. CH3. COH twice. Here CH3, CH3. Here your hydroxy group is converted into good leaving group. In next step, loss of water molecule. Then what happened? CH3, COH, CH3, C carbocation. It is very important part. Formation of carbocation. Which carbocation? Is tertiary carbocation. Okay, tertiary carbocation will be formed after the formation of carbocation. Here migration of methyl group. Okay, this methyl group will be migrate on this carbocation. Then in next step CH3. Here hydroxy group, carbocation, then CH3, CH3, CH3. Here again carbocation will be formed. This carbocation is neutralized by this hydroxy group. Okay. Formation of carbon oxygen double bond. Then finally we get CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, we finally get pinacolone. In this reaction, first pinnacle abstract the proton and your hydroxy group is converted into good leaving group. Then after water molecule loss and formation of carbocation, then after the formation of carbocation, here migration of this alkyl group on carbocation and again formation of tertiary carbocation which is stabilized by this carbon formation of carbon oxygen double bond or carbonyl bond. Okay, in always remember which hydroxy group which converted into good leaving group at that carbon which having a or which form the stable carbocation. Okay, when you are unsymmetrical diodes, which one hydroxy group will be get protonated, the question will be asked. We discuss another example here. This unsymmetrical die. I think you get idea which hydroxy group is converted into good leaving group or protonated. Let's see in two conditions. First of all, here H plus Me OH 2 pH OH. Okay, and another condition is MEOH and here phenyl ring, and this hydroxy group is converted into good leaving group or protonated. If condition A and condition B, in which part is correct? If this group part A, then loss of this hydroxy group, then we get CME carbocation pH hydroxy group. Okay, and here loss of water molecule, then we get MEOH pH and formation of carbocation. Now, in which carbocation will be more stable? Okay, it is tertiary carbocation, but here this carbocation having a 2 phenyl ring, therefore it is a more stable. This compound will be not formed. Okay, it will be not formed because least stable carbocation. Here more stable carbocation. So it will be formed. And what will be the product? Here migration of methyl group, and we get next step is MEC double bond O pH and methyl group. This type of the product will be formed because formation of more stable carbocation. We can conclude it in case of unsymmetrical diols, which one will be hydroxy grade get protonated. It is important that hydroxy group will be protonated, which leads or form to stable carbocation. Okay, you can write down the hydroxy group which will be protonated, that produce more stable carbocation. Okay, or more stable carbocation. Now next part is migratory aptitude in Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. The migratory aptitude in Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement is first is aryl, alkyl, and then lastly hydrogen. This type of the example will be asked in examination. Give the proper order of migratory aptitude in Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. Here methoxy group which attached to the benzene ring. Here only methyl group. Then lastly alkyl and hydride. Next part in Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement is ring expansion. Okay, it is asked many times in examination. Predict the product. Let's see. In this type of the example will ask in examination, predict the product or suggest the mechanism. It is very simple in which ring expansion take place. Here both ring are 5 member. Okay, let's see how can the product will be formed. Very simple. H plus or acidic condition is given. Okay, which will be pick up the proton. Then what will be the next step? It will be converted into good living group. Then after the formation of good living group, it will be depart. Before that, here which part will be migrate? Then how can reaction proceed? Simply be numbering this ring which is anti 2. 1, okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5. We numbering opposite side of ring. Okay, hydroxy group is here. Therefore, in anti side or opposite side of this methyl group will be migrate here and hydroxy group will be depart. What will be the next step? Which type of the structure will be formed? Very good. As it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here okay, between this 5 and this ring, formation of new bond. Here we simply 6 and here at one position will be formation of carbocation. This carbocation will be stabilized by using this hydroxy group which converted into ketone. Very good. Here 6 member ring, at one position your carbonyl and here spirocystine. We get spirocystine product. Here 5 member ring, in sometime examination it gives 4 member ring. Okay, if you get 4 member ring, then obtaining 5 member. In next lecture we discuss semi-Pinacol rearrangement.